Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So students, in the previous video, I told you the exercise 3.3 and that exercise we have solved with the help of substitution method. So students, in today's class, we will study the next method of algebraic method to find the solution of pair of linear equations. Okay, I told you the solution of a pair of linear equations can be calculated by two methods. First was graphical method, which we have already studied, and the second is algebraic method. And in algebraic method, there are also three methods. First one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. So substitution method we have already studied. So today we will study the next method, which is known as elimination method. What is this method? This method is used to find the solution of pair of linear equations. So student, what is the meaning of elimination? What do you understand by eliminate? Eliminate means we have to remove one variable from both equations. Okay, I am going to repeat again, because we are studying linear equations in two variable now. So with the help of elimination method, what we will do, we will eliminate same variable from both the equations. Okay, so when you will eliminate same variable from both the equations, you will get only one variable, and that one variable will be same. So whatever expression you will get, that will be in your linear equation in one variable, so which you can easily solve. Okay, so this method I will explain to you with the help of one example. Okay, so just see what is this method. Suppose student, I am solving exercise 3.4. ठीक है, and in 3.4 the first question is that solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. So students, see, we have solved a linear pair of equation by the substitution method. Now we will study how to solve a pair of linear equation with elimination method. So I am solving the first question, part first of exercise 3.4 with the help of elimination method. Okay, I will tell you this method with the help of one question. Now see, this is x plus y equal to 5, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4, and you have to solve these two equations by elimination method also and substitution method also. Listen student, whatever method you will apply to solve a pair of linear equation, answer will always come same, but the difference is that method is different. First we have used graphical, second we have used elimination, substitution, now we are using elimination. So what is elimination method? So see, in the question two equations are given and we have to solve this with the help of elimination method. So student, what we do, first you make it as equation number 1 and this is as equation number 2. So as the name suggests, elimination, we have to remove one variable from each equation. Okay, we have to remove one variable from each equation. Either you will eliminate x from both equations or you will eliminate y from both equations. So what I am going to do, I will eliminate these two x from these two equations. So how will I eliminate? For elimination, if suppose we have to remove x, okay, so whatever equation which consists x have same coefficient also, means see, suppose in both the two equations I have to eliminate x, but the problem is that here only single x is written and here 2x is written. So for elimination, what we do, we make both the coefficient of x same in both equation. So see, here is 1, here is 2. So if I will multiply 2 in equation number 1, okay, if I will multiply 2 in equation number 1, so what will happen? So I am multiplying 2 in equation number 1 and I am multiplying, because 1 in equation, sorry, see, I am multiplying 2 in equation number 1, so it will become 2x plus 2y plus 10, and because it is already 2x, so what we will multiply? 1. So I am multiplied by 1. So see what will come? It will be, equation first will become 2x plus 2y equal to 10, and second equation will come 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now for elimination, student must remember this point. For elimination, whatever variable you want to eliminate, both have same coefficient, only then they can remove. Okay, so see, in the question here was x and here was 2x, so I want to remove x from both equations. So what I will do, I will make the coefficient of x in both the equation same. Okay, so what I have done, I have multiplied 2 here, so it will become 2x plus 2y plus 10, and because in equation number 2 already 2x is written, so what I have multiplied? 1, because when 1 multiplied to anything, the same number we can get. Okay, so now see, in both equation the coefficient of x becomes same na, so we have to remove this x. So what we will do, see, here is plus also, here is also plus, both having the same sign na, but we have to eliminate. So if whatever variable you want to eliminate, if it has same sign, then what we will do, we will subtract these two equation, because both are plus, so plus plus cannot be cancelled, so plus minus will be cancelled. So what we will do, if they have the same sign, remember one thing, if whatever variable you want to eliminate have the same sign, then in that case you will subtract, and if whatever variable you are going to eliminate has opposite sign, then you will add. So what we will do, we will subtract these two equation. And how we are subtracting? From this to this. Okay, so when it will subtract, their sign will be changes, as we have studied in division process. Okay, so see, here is 2x, when subtraction will be there, so it will be minus, here is minus, so it will be plus, and here is plus, so it will be minus. And we always see the change sign. Suppose like this, x square minus x is divided by x plus 1. Suppose, so you have to divide this by this, so what you do, you multiply it by x and it comes x square plus x. Now what you do, you subtract this thing from this, so it will be minus, it will be minus. Same thing we are doing, because we are subtracting both two equations. So when you will subtract, the sign of the second equation will change. Okay, the sign of the second, not the first, of the second. So it is plus 2x, so it will be minus, it is minus, so it will be plus, and it is also plus, so it will be minus. And we have to see the change sign. Okay, now see, this 2x and minus 2x will be cancelled. Now it is plus 2y and it is plus 3y. It is plus 2y and it is plus 3y. So what will come? 5y, and see, 10 minus 4, it means 6. So y will come 6 by 5. So by this we can get the value of what? Y. Now you got the value of y now. So when you will put in any equation, you can get the value of x. So what we will do, we will write from, you can take any equation. So I am taking equation number 1. So from equation number 1, x plus y equal to 5. So put the value of y here. So x plus 6 by 5 equal to 5. Now transfer this. So x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. So it will come, LCM will be 5. So 25 minus 6, it means 19 by 5. So from these two equations, we got the value of x and y. So student, this is your elimination method to solve the pair of linear equation. So students, see, in this question we have eliminated x now, but you can eliminate y also. So for eliminating y, what we will do, we will make the coefficient of y same in both the two equations, or for making same coefficient we will multiply by the suitable number. So same question I am solving by eliminating y. Okay, so this is solved by eliminating x. Now I am going to solve by eliminating y. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So answer will be your x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Okay, so this is your answer. Now same question, student, I am solving by eliminating y. By eliminating y. So again, if you have to eliminate y from both the two equations, you have to make their coefficient equal. Now see, here the coefficient of y is 1 and here the coefficient of y is 3. So if we will multiply equation 1 by 3, so what we will get? We will get 3x plus 3y equal to 15. So see, I can write equation 1 can be multiplied by 3 and equation 2 can be multiplied by 1, because when 3 will be multiplied 3y, so same thing we want, so by 1 I am multiplied. Now see, 3x plus 3y equal to 15, okay, and 2x minus 3y equal to 4, because we have multiplied 1. Okay, now see, in both the two y, in equation number 1y, here number is 3, don't see the sign, only the number. Okay, so here also is 3y and here is also 3y. So now these y term are same in both the two equation. Now what we will do now? So see, I told you when we will subtract and when we will add. Subtraction is done where the sign of both the terms are same. Okay, but here the sign of both the terms are negative. So in this case, what we will do? We will add these two equations. Okay, so when you will add it, the sign will remain same of second equation. There will not be any change. Okay, so when you are adding these things, so it will become plus 2x, it will become minus, and it will also become plus. Suppose अगर आपको इन दोनों को ऐड करना है, for example 3x plus 3y plus 2x minus 3y equal to 15 plus 4. Same thing like this we have written in the column method, and it is the horizontal method. So see, 3x plus 3y plus 2x minus 3y equal to 19. Now 3y, see, again both having the same sign, na? Same sign, see, 2x and minus 3y. So whenever whatever terms you want to eliminate having the opposite side, so in that case we add the equation, and whenever we want to eliminate that variable which have the same sign, so in that case we subtract. So here the opposite sign is there, so we will add these two equations. So when you will add these two equations, thus nothing will be changed in this two equation. So see, 3x plus 2x will become 5x, and this plus 3y and minus 3y will be cancelled, and here 15 plus 4 will be 19. So x will be equal to 19 by 5, which we got the answer. Now you got the value of x now, so you want to calculate the value of y. So from any equation you can get the value of y. So from equation 1, so I can say x plus y equal to 5. Put the value of y here. So 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. So it will be 25 minus 19 by 5. It means 6 by 5. So your answer will be x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. This is your answer. Okay. So student, of exercise 3.4 of first question, you have to solve same question by substitution method also, and you have to solve same question by the elimination method also. So substitution method I already told you, so by that method you can also find the solution, and for elimination method which I told today, you can also find the solution of these two equations. Okay, I hope you have understood this solution. So note down this. In this question I have eliminated x, and before that I have eliminated, in this part I have eliminated y, and before that I have eliminated x. So it's your wish. You can either eliminate x from both the two equations, or you can either eliminate y from both the two equations. But at a time only one. If you want to eliminate x, then you can eliminate x, and if you want to eliminate y, then you can eliminate y. So please note down these things. See children, in this question number first, each and every equation we have to solve by the elimination method also and by the substitution method also. So elimination method I already told you. So I am only solve all the question by the elimination method. Okay, but you have to solve by the both two methods. Okay, by that way you can verify your answer. You will solve by the elimination method also, and you will solve by the substitution method also. In exam, suppose in exam a pair of linear equation comes, and only this much is written, that solve the equations. So you can use any of the one method. Either you will use elimination or substitution or graphical, and whatever information is given in the question. But when it is specified that you have to solve by this method only, then you have to apply those method only. Okay. Now same question, see, I am going to solve not second, part third. Okay, so exercise 3.4 part question number 1 part third. So first equation is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, and second equation is equal to 9x equal to 2x plus 7, and you have to solve this question by the elimination and substitution both. So I am solving only by the elimination method because it is new. So first write like this. See what I have done. I have written 3x minus 5y equal to 4, that is equation number 1, and 9x minus, wait a minute, here is 5, 9x minus 2y equal to 7, this is equation number 2, and you have to solve this pair of linear equation by elimination method. So for elimination method we have to eliminate one of two variable. Okay, means we have to eliminate one same variable from both equation. If you want to eliminate from equation number 1, then you have to eliminate x in equation number 2 also. Okay, at a time x. If you are eliminating x from equation number 1, then you have to eliminate x from second equation also. So for eliminating, their coefficient will be same. Their coefficient means whatever number are associated with the variable will be same in both the equation. So see, here is 3 and here is 9. Okay, and I want to eliminate x from these two equations. So first thing what we will do, we will make whatever number here will come, same should here will come. Okay, same should come here also. So see how it can be. So when different number are there, so what you do, see here is 3 and here is 9. So what you do, you multiply 1 by equation number 9, you multiply equation 1 by 9 and equation 2 by 3, because when 9 is multiplied to this equation, here will become 9x. Sorry, when 9 will multiply to this equation number 1, here will become 27x, and when 3 will multiply to equation number 2, here will become 27x. So both equation will have the same terms of x. So in that case we can eliminate. So first we have to make their number part same. So what I am going to do, I am multiplying equation 1 by 9 and equation 2 by 3. So what will come? When you multiply equation 1 by 9, what will come? 27x minus 45y is equal to 4, and in second equation 27x minus 6y equal to 21. Sorry, it will be 36. See, when equation first is multiplied by 9, so equation first is this. So when this is multiplied by 9, it will come 27x minus 45y equal to 36. And when this equation number 2 is multiplied by 3, it will come 27x minus 6y equal to 21. Now see, in both the equation, the x term are same now, and both have the same sign. So whenever the sign has same, when we will do the subtraction. So when we will do subtraction, their sign will be changed. And question comes in the mind that which sign will be changed? The sign of the equation 1 will be equation 2 will be changed. So here will be minus, here will be plus, here will be minus, and we have to see the only change sign. So this will be cancelled. Now minus 45 and plus 6, what will become? Minus 45 and plus 6, so it will be minus 39y, and see, 36 minus 21, it will become 15. So y will be equal to 15 by minus 39, or minus 15 by 39, or minus 5 by 13. So value of y we got now from these two equations. The value of y comes minus 5 upon 13. Now you got the value of y, so you can take any equation. So from equation number 1, what is the equation number 1? 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Now put the value of y. So 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13 divide by 4. Now minus minus will become plus. So 3x plus 25 by 13 equal to 4. Now take the LCM. So LCM will come 13. So it will be 39x and it will be plus 25 equal to 4. Now cross multiply it. So 39x plus 25 equal to 52. Now 39x equal to 52 minus 25. Now 39x equal to 27. So x will come 27 by 39. It means 9 by 13. Okay. So value of x comes minus 5 by 13, and value of y comes minus 5 by 13, and value of x comes 9 by 13. Okay. See, answer is correct. So after that, after this line you can write here, answer will be x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So by this way you can solve pair of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, just you have to eliminate one same variable. If you want to eliminate x from equation number 1, so you will eliminate x from equation number 2 also. And for eliminating any variable, we have to make their coefficient same. Coefficient same means whatever number is associated with the variable, that should be same in both the two equations. Here we want to eliminate x, but here is 3x and here is 9x. So what I have done, I have multiplied 9 here and I have multiplied 3 here. So it will become also 27 and this will become also 27. Okay. So after that you have to see the sign. If both having the same sign, then you will subtract, and if both having the opposite sign, then you will add. After that you will solve the equations. You will get one variable. If you will get one variable, then you can put the value of that variable in the given equations. So by that you can find the value of both the variables. Okay. See, when you will do practice now, then you will learn more. So at a time it will not be understand. Okay. So practice many questions so that you can understand. So note down this problem, student. Now one more question I am going to solve from this part only. The part third of that. Question number 1. Sorry, part third I have solved. Part 4. Part 4 of question number 1. Okay. And one more thing, student. When you will solve, because in this 3.4 question number 1, it is written that you have to solve pair of linear equation by substitution method also and elimination method also. So substitution method you already know, so you can solve, and elimination method you have already studied in this part of the video. So by both method you can solve. Answer will come same by any method. Whatever method you will use, the answer will come same. Okay. So don't worry. Now part 4. See, first equation is x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1, x minus y upon 3 इक्वल टू 3. ठीक है, तो पहले इसको आप अच्छे से सॉल्व कर लीजिए. सो सी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x अपॉन 2 प्लस 2y अपॉन 3 equal to minus 1. Now 6 LCM will be 6 because it is in fraction, so we can solve by the LCM method. So LCM of 2 and 3 will come 6. So here will be 3x and here will be 4y equal to minus 1. So equation comes 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is your equation number first. Now for second equation, x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. So LCM will be 3x, 3. So it will be 3x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. Now 3x minus y equal to 9. This is equation number 2. Now see, student, in this equation, equation number 1 is this and equation number 2 is this. Suppose we have to eliminate these two, we have to solve these two equation by the elimination method. So you can see, student, suppose you have to eliminate x from both the two equation. Okay, so see, if we have to eliminate x from both the two equation, so see, here is also 3x and here is also 3x, so their coefficient part is already same, means whatever number are associated with the x is same in both the two equation. So in that case they are already same, so we don't need to multiply by any number to both the two equation. So we can solve directly. See, this is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and this is 3x minus y equal to 9. In these two equations, the coefficient of x are same in both the two, so they are already same, so we will not multiply any number to these two equations. So now see, both are positive now, so if both are positive then we subtract, and when both are opposite sign then we will add. So we will subtract it. So when we will subtract it, its sign will be changed, second equation sign will be changed. So this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So this is cancelled. Now 4y plus y will be 5y equal to minus 6 and minus 9 will be minus 15. So y will be equal to minus 15 by 5. It means minus 3. So you got the value of y now. Now you have to calculate the value of x also. So you can take any equation. So from equation number 1, equation number 1 is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Put the value of y here. So 3x plus 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. So 3x minus 12 equal to minus 6. So 3x equal to minus 6 plus 12, or 3x equal to 6, or x equal to 6 by 3. It means 2. So answer will be x will be 2 and y will be minus 3. See student, one question can come in your mind that, sir, why you are eliminating only x? Why you are not eliminating y? So you can eliminate y also. It's your wish. Either you will eliminate x or you will eliminate y. Okay. I always used to do eliminate x. That's why I am using x. You can use by y. Okay. So this is your elimination method. I am going to repeat again. First, see these two equations and you can choose one variable. Suppose you want to eliminate x. So what you have to do, you have to make the coefficient of x same in both the two equations. Okay? If they are same, then it is good, and if they are not same, then you will multiply both the two equations by that number so that the coefficient of that variable will be same. And when coefficient will be same, then you will see the sign. If their sign will be same, then you will subtract two equations, and when the sign will be opposite, then you will add these two equations. After solving, you will get the value of one variable, and if you got the value of one variable, then you can put in any of the two equations, you find the value of another variable. So by this we can solve the pair of linear equations. So I hope you have understood this part of the video, and you have understood three methods, that is graphical method, substitution method, elimination method. So in exercise 3.4, the first question you will solve, all parts you will solve by the help of substitution method also and by the help of elimination method also. Okay, in the next part of the video I will tell you the remaining question of exercise 3.4. okay, 3.4. So till then, have a nice day, take care, thank you.